Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick and easy hair tutorial. Enjoy!
Hi guys, it's your girl Deborah here, and I'm just going to give you a short tutorial on how I style Rahima's hair. I'm going to put the hair into sections, and then I'm going to use my John Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum to brush that in. And I'm going to straighten the root of the hair, going almost like halfway down, like 3/4 down. And then I'm going to go in with the curling wand, and then I'm going to wrap the hair around the curling wand. I'm going to try and hold it there for a bit so I can get a tight curl. And I'll just go back in if I feel like the curl's not tight enough. From there, I'll scrunch it, just showing you guys the little end result, and then clip it. And this way I'll be able to preserve the curl for longer. And literally just keep working your way through. So I'm going to be wrapping it wholesomely and then tightly wrapping it again at the end until we get kind of like coil. You can hold it, the wand is going to be hot, so be careful. There you go again, the curly bounce. And I'm going to scrunch up again, and then I'm going to clip it down. Just going and working my way through with the same little strategy: straighten 3/4, brush, and curl with the wand. And then just watch the technique on how I wrap it. So I'm going to make sure that I wrap it tightly and it kind of becomes a bulge. And then I unwrap it and you can see that we have some tight curls. So I'm going to scrunch up again and then clip it and just keep going all the way through. I was literally loving those curls, as you can tell. Whoa, next side, look at me wrapping my hair. You know, it's getting serious. So we're just doing the same pattern again. Just wrapping the hair, sectioning it, just to make it easier for yourself. Going in again with the John Frieda. Wrapping. Hold it. If you hold it for longer, the tighter the curls will, the more defined the curls will be. And then you literally go with your clip. You don't have to put your clip, but it just saves it from getting in the way and just makes it easier. And then we go again with the curling line. And now I'm going with the front, so I'm gonna show you again. So I'm gonna part it, and then I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna keep going until I get all the hair wrapped down to the end of the wand. Then you can see the curl. Then I'm gonna wrap it up again and clip it. Same with the front section here. And can you notice how I've left a little bit of the front, a little bit of the root at the top straight? I haven't gone all the way far down with the wand. This is because I want there to be kind of like a wave effect. I'm gonna brush it through slightly. Don't over brush it, otherwise all your curls are gonna literally just become too volumized and you're gonna lose the pattern. Now we reveal the melt. So I'm removing my little wax strips, my little paper strips, wax strips, you know. Oh, the glue can get caught sometimes to the strip, but that's okay, just remove it carefully. And then I'm gonna go in with my mousse and put that onto the hair, and then I'm gonna add some baby hairs for her. As you can see, I've got a little bit of gummy, and I just use the gummy because I feel like it allows it to hold a little bit extra. And I'm gonna go back in with the paper strip and another one, and a tiny bandana. Oh my god, one little dance in here. Then we're using Care. This is my favorite wax stick, guys. Like, when I tell you purchase it, and I'm going with my spritz as well, I'm literally just gonna hot comb it down so it becomes flat. That's what we're gonna do, so we get the hair really flat. Ooh, the reveal is serious. So there you have it, guys. Quick, easy little tutorial on how I slayed Rahima's hair for you. And if you got like a little lace flying away, you can literally just go in with the glue again and just place that down. Check her out.